Jasmy most certainly by and large acquired roughly 4.08% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours amazingly. Which is genuinely critical. The EMA 50 truly is right now at $0.007, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin certainly is drifting at $87,003,429, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy essentially has its by and large next opposition at $0.006, or so they especially thought, which is very critical. 28 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these regularly by and large clarified pressing issues, facts. What entirely is especially fundamentally transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin in every practical sense. Explicitly is Jasmy a kind of wise interest in an extremely significant manner incredibly. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on. Especially further appearance how Jasmy in every practical sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the in every practical sense, certainly most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping actually especially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, explicitly let us market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,182,183,498,100, which for the most part is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. The especially complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $26,292,611,763 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, so Jasmy in every practical sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%, which in every practical sense truly shows that Jasmy quite has its extremely next obstruction at $0.006, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally shows that the EMA 50 certainly is presently at $0.007 in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, generally is up by 0.08. And right now exchanging at $241.76 in a quite enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Steam in an unobtrusive way, or so they thought. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a really descending heading for essentially transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, an especially broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So 28 July 2023, in this video, we will explicitly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts. What generally is extremely in every way that really matters, momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Sort of is Jasmy an excellent interest in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of explicitly are significant specialized markers used to essentially recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which especially is very critical. Support truly is a level at which purchasers especially fundamentally become in every practical sense sort of more essentially dynamic and in a real sense explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, especially further appearance how Jasmy in every practical sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, or so they certainly thought in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which dealers especially for the most part become move commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is very critical in a significant manner. Following explicitly really are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The fundamentally current Jasmy coin cost in every practical sense is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 and the very sort of beyond 24 hours sort of additional appearance. How furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. Presently, Jasmy certainly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. Truly further appearance. How support most certainly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become sort of more really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Jasmy coin support and opposition levels, and so on. Further appearance how Jasmy in every way that really matters, for the most part, acquired roughly 4.08% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in an especially significant manner. Jasmy coin value investigation. Jasmy cost examination for 28 July 2023 inside a day-to-day time period in a real sense, made sense of beneath, or so they sort of thought. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving especially truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to generally for the most part dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin. THEMACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, which essentially is very huge. Jasmy coin financial backers need to sort of in a real sense hang tight for any directional change over the especially genuinely day-to-day graph, which for the most part shows that Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on. Truly further appearance how Jasmy in a real sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which sort of certainly is very critical, which generally is very huge. The genuinely sort of relative strength record, RSI for Jasmy coin truly is right now drifting at 19 for 14 days sort of normal line, which in every practical sense implies Jasmy in a real sense is in oversold zone, and a pattern reasonably really inversion for the most part is conceivable, which sort of shows what truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%, which in a real sense